Do you want to see what $25 got me at the Dollar Tree today? Here we go. All right, first up, this is really light, but I got some medicated body powder. This is cornstarch based, and I bought this because I want to make, I've been watching the Black Girl Shower TikToks, and I want to make some of that perfumed body powder, so I got that. And then I also watched Nina Poole, and she says that talc-free foot powder makes the best setting powder. So I bought some of that. You know, I like my headbands because it keeps my hair off my face when I'm walking dogs, and I thought this pattern was really cute. It's by Skunsi, and it's got little, it's pink with little red cherries on it. And then I got one that's a white background with little red cherries on it. And I got another one. This one has, it's green with lemons on it. And I got, they didn't have any powder puffs, so I got these to use as powder puffs with the body powder. And then I ran out of dish detergent, so I got 2 packs of those. That'll be good for 20. Well, there's another pack in there somewhere. Oh, what's this? This is empty. I did have some candies. This is the LA Color contouring stick. I've used these before and I like them. The last one I had, I lost the cap to it, but I like these. This is the highlighter stick. And then this one is a green conceal corrector. This one is good for red spots. I got an OxyClean pen. I'm going to throw that in my purse for when I spill. I got 2 of these. This is a 4 different grit of nail. I left one in the car for when my nails get snagged. It's a nail file. Next, I've got 2 of these. These are the exfoliator bath mitts. That's to go with my shower stuff. And then I found this. This is a foot brush, and it's got pumice on one side and a scrubber on the other, just to keep my feet nice and clean. There's the other dish pack. There's 10 washes in each one. And then I got a contour stick. And another package of candies. And that's it. That was $25.92. But I think it was money well spent. Lots of good stuff there.